you will see the diagram layout of security attacks are categorized in two sections, active attack and passive attack. So you can understand the network security in previous video. Now if the network security is not implemented, these attacks will be happen. Now we going to understand types of attack. It will be categorized in two types, active attacks and passive attacks. Then active attack can further categorized as interruptions, modification and fabrications. Now modifications further classified as reply attack and alterations. Passive attacks are categorized in two types, release of message content and traffic analysis. Let's take a closer look of these types of attack. We will start it with some examples. It's active attack. Active attacks are based on modification of the original message in some manner or creations of the false message. These attacks can't be prevented easily, however they can be detected. Now, active attacks can be subdivided into three types: masquerade, modification, denial of services. Let's see how these types of attacks. Masquerade is caused when an unauthorized entity pretends to be another entity. To clear this, let's have an examples. In this example, Alice and Bob's are legal and legitimate users, where this case legal and legitimate communications should happen between Alice and Bob, but there comes Tom and he masquerade or disguise as himself Alice to communicate with Bob on behalf of Alice. Now, due to poor lacks of authentications, Bob doesn't know from whom he is talking to and feels he is talking to Alice. By chance, Bob releases some confidential informations like his account number and passwords. Tom and not Alice got access to these credentials against you. Now Tom is doing illegal. Next type of active attacks is modification attacks. Modification results in some alterations to the original message. Modification result is loss of integrity. Two types of release, reply attacks and alternative attacks. Now we going to understand reply attack. When a user computes a sequence of events or some data units and resend them. Let's take an example. Here you can see there are three entities: Alice, Tom and bank. Now the Alice wants to transfer $100 to Tom, so he will initiates with the banks. Tom captures these transactions and reinitiate these transactions in her name. This results $200. Here bank doesn't know the second transactions will be initiated by Tom and not by Alice. Let's look alterations in our next example. In alteration, it involves some changes to the original message. Now understand the alteration with the help of an example. Let's take the same scenario. Now this time Alice want to transfer $100 to Tom. Now before this transactions to be the bank, Tom intercept this transaction and alter the amount to $200 and this transaction reaches the bank. The bank transfers $200 to Tom thinking that Alice want to transfer $200 to Tom. Another type of active attacks is we can discuss with the help of diagrams is denial of services. In this denial of services, in this attacks makes an attempt to prevent legitimate users from the accessing same services. which they are eligible. For example, Alice here is a legitimate and valid user of a XY bank which wants to access their accounts and withdraw some money. Tom, on other hand, is not a user of the bank but a hacker which render the network services down and jams the network services. Thus, the bank here unable to provide the services to Alice. So, now we can discuss passive attack are those where indulge in monitoring of data transmission. The term passive indicates that the attacker doesn't attempt to perform any modification to the data. These attacks are harder to detect. Therefore, passive attacks should be prevented rather than detected. Passive attacks are further classified into two categories: release of message content and traffic analysis. While in these two they are too dangerous, let's have a look in these types of passive attacks. Confidential data of users is released publicly over the network. Data confidentiality is lost in such scenario. In this example, you will see that the release of message content is more dangerous, where Alice accesses his bank account services with his credentials, means while Storm access credentials releases his confidential data over the network. Now, any other persons on the network can also access the Alice account. This is an example of passive attacks of release of message content. The Alice private data releases over the networks. Now, the second is traffic analysis. In this type of attacks, the attacker tries to find similarities between encryption message and finds the original content. This activity is called traffic analysis. Example: suppose Alice accesses bank detail, often using some security algorithms to encrypt our data. Hacker is, in this case, Tom, can collect these data to perform analysis on this data to find out the reality or details. Activity is known as traffic analysis. I hope